Yeah, can you see that those are two different colors? Yeah, that's why I wouldn't do it, but you know, others might. Okay. So what happens, you might want to see this too. So what happens with oil paint? Did you want to see this as well? Because it's the solution to what happened here. You guys look at this painting over here. So she painted the background just black the other day with a little bit of yellow in it, right? So it's actually dark green. Do you see how it has shiny spots and dull spots? It looks like something was wrong with your paint, or maybe something was wrong with the way you painted it. It's not. In fact, this will all be fine once we varnish it because it'll have the same quality of slickness on it, say. But the reason why that looks flat is that the oil in the paint has sunken into the priming layer of the canvas and left this dull spot. So there's nothing wrong with it. She just painted this a little thicker than that spot, and that's why it looks like that. How do you know it's sunk in, where the oil is sunk in, the linseed oil? Spit on your finger and go like this, and it looks like I'm painting, right, with my finger. I'm not. I'm just wetting it. So that's one thing about oil paint. The darks dry flat and therefore lighter than they actually are. When we oil it out or varnish it, it evens it out. So also what happens is the darks have dried flat, but also the color is a little dull because it's dried flat. So every now and again when we're painting, so we can see the real strength of the color or how it would look finally, we take a makeup sponge and some walnut oil. You can use linseed oil, which is most common in art supply stores. You touch the top of that, just touch the top of the oil, squeeze it all out as hard as you can so there's very little on the sponge, and then we wipe it in. Do you see the difference? Do you see how different it looks, wet versus dry? So what I'm gonna do is oil it out. That's the solution to sinking in. But really a better term would be oiling in because you're putting oil back in it, aren't you? After you do it, you bend down, I can see it sopping wet. So what I do now is with the dry part of the sponges, I wipe it all dry. So there's very, very, very little oil on there. But it's done its job. We now can see the blues as they were when you painted them on. Okay? Funny thing is, it doesn't happen to the light colors, just the dark colors, okay? So I'll have you do that a few times throughout your painting, just to keep the wetness of it, the slickness of it, and the chroma, okay? So you can put your paint on now, you just have to, you know where they go, so put them on where they go, the same way, you know how to apply it. Yes, that one's okay, that one's a flat, we don't usually use the flat. So you want filberts. You want brushes that have tongue shape to them. Don't forget they're over here too, right? Let's get a variety of them. One for each color, there you go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, let's go ahead. You want a tea? Okay. Anybody else want anything? Valuable. There's only 2 spots left though. If you want to join, let me know. On the Facebook page, there's a big ad for it right now. So look at it, read it. You want to be in it? It's December 7th. You sure you're free?
Yes.
Okay. I'll send you the information. Hey, I haven't been there yet. They may sell 9x12. They have to be 9x12 canvas boards. The dollar store sometimes sells them. They're okay to use dollar store ones for this, but never to paint on otherwise. Yeah, okay, so you take a look around. But Amazon, because they sell them in a pack of 12, it's kind of perfect, you know. They're about $2 each.
Do they come?
I'm not sure.
They come the next day.
Oh.
I'm not sure, so you'll post the card. So
It's on the Facebook page for the Atelier.
Yeah,
Are you friends with the Facebook?
Yeah.
Okay, so you just look at it on there and it has everything. And it has, if you tell me you want to do it, I'll send you the directions on how to tape these off ready to go. They have to be taped off, you know, with tape.
So where we can get this board?
Where do you buy it? It says on Amazon. Yeah, I will send you the link, but I need to know whether you're coming.
Okay.
I'm not sending it the information out.
Yeah, I will come.
So yes, if you know you want to come, send me an email and I'll add you.
Okay.
You'll be the last person.
Send him an email to let him know you want to come.
For what?
For that, for the class for Sunday.
Oh.
For December the 8th, the 7th. Do you want
another color?
Oh, yeah. December 7.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to?
Yeah.
Just looking to see if I
He
would
needs
if I
you
could get away with something.
to send him an email.
Okay.
Check and see
Tell
if
him
that one.
do you have $100 today?
Check it.
Today?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Whatever
So
you
give
can.
it to him.
Okay.
And
You
he'll
have
write
to hold
your
up the
name.
towel next
Okay.
to it, right? Like
And
this.
then you order those
Did you want another
in
copy?
Amazon.
Oh.
But he'll send you the instructions.
Okay.
This is how we're taping them
There.
off. The instructions will show you how to tape off the chart like this.
Okay.
So we don't paint squares, right? So you just put the color on there, next color there, all the grays go on this side. So half of the tape goes on. First you tape the edge, half on the front, half on the back, all the way around. And then you make one of these, and then you use that as the duplicate to make all the other ones, so you know where to put the tape after that. Some people measure it out, but you can do it by eye.
from Amazon.
You can buy 12, you need 12.
Okay.
Thing is, if you let me know you're coming, I will send you an email with all the information. As opposed to just saying, yeah. You want to come for sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so you just need to send me $100 in an e-transfer or whatever. Because you can do 3 makeups a session.
Okay.
Did you give me 24 hours each time?
For the last one I did.
Yeah, so right now you've still got 2 makeups you can. Times when they're calling for snow, and we're all looking out the window going, there's nothing, it's just raining a little bit, and then somebody goes, well, I can't make it, it's snowing, then I kind of go, well, all right, yeah. Okay, we're gonna run this color, this blue, all the way there now between the scratch line and the edge, and then you're gonna paint this other blue all down here, this one all down here, okay?
I need a bigger brush.
Yes, up there on the top of the bigger brushes.
So the January, when we start? January.
Start the week of January 6th.
January 6th.
6th. But it depends if there's new students in the class. I'll have to go take a look.
Oh, okay.
Then you start almost there. See how close we got? When I do this, remember doing this to get rid of peripheral color? I'm going to put a little bit of gray and a little bit more purple. So we're done, okay?
Yeah.
We're done. Now, this is just one color. You're going to take a half of that. Put 3 strips down. We'll call it B for blue.
Okay.
B1, B2, B3. Okay, grab it. And then we'll continue making. We're not orange enough yet still, so a little bit more orange, yeah. It's weak, it's weak. It's okay to keep it over here too, because there's 2 tubes, because we use it so much, orange. Now, if you want, you don't have to come to the bottom. See what we do sometimes? If you like that, you can kind of leave some brush strokes coming down. And then there are people who just paint right to the very bottom. So that's up to you. It's up to you. But if you are going to do this, have a couple of brush strokes come down a little farther so it looks like brush strokes, as opposed to a line.
So, yeah, let's do it to another color.
Okay, I'm painting next week.
Yes,
That's your decision.
That's only have 20 minutes, like you say.
Well, we can put a bit of color on. All we're doing is stopping and painting instead of making color, but that's up to you.
Okay, then I'll paint.
Okay.
I'll do the
Okay.
S5.
Okay, so you got S5 written there, and yet that's crossed off. Okay, let's really cross it off.
I think that's S5 after S1. This one right there.
That's S5, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so why don't you put that on? And each time you put a color on, like you've already painted that, take the tape off, and now you're gonna put this
Yes.
all the way up there where I said in the first place.
Okay.
At the end of the class, you're gonna put these in 2 separate packets and call them extra skin light, extra skin dark.
Okay.
Okay, and so it's not gonna have a number, so we can use it to make this and this and this and this and this and this and this.
Yes.
That's what we'll do next time, okay? You're welcome. Your fridge is gonna be full of packages with things like extra skin, nose, eyes. And if anybody looks in your fridge, anybody in here use Grok? I know it's Elon Musk's app. It's his AI app. But it's one of the only ones that allows you to take photographs and animate them for free. You can do 20 a day for free.
My daughter says because it has no morals. Like you're able to do all kinds of copyright infringements.
Oh yeah, oh it's terrible. You know, the trillionaire, the greediest man in the world, as if he needs more money. But
Yeah.
you know what? I Somebody else should make one available. Okay, that's good. Okay, so that becomes your B3 or B2. Okay, wipe that away with some toilet paper and then put it a third away. Yeah, put half. Yeah, and then we're gonna make the next one a little lighter. I had Sylvia in the afternoon class to do with one of her paintings. So this is a poster from New York City. Right here. They're doing stuff with it. Yeah. Oh yeah, that makes sense. So this becomes this. You can also make it do whatever you want. But then you press the fun. So, I feel so bad for that whole industry. I mean, all the book covers that painters had jobs to do up until about 1975, all the magazine covers, even TV Guide was often a painted cover, and now. Oh yeah, oh the first Star Wars poster blew me away. I had that on my wall when I was a kid. Yeah, all hand painted artists had jobs galore. I was looking at it one, even toy soldiers, they hired 5,000 people in one factory. They all had a job just painting. I mean, it's manufacturing work, but if you had some talent, you were guaranteed a job. And now I feel so bad for who are in art school right now for illustration. Yeah. What is illustration? I don't know. I'm afraid, I mean, I know a lot of profs and their students, 60–70% of them hand in AI work and they all get 0. And they all knew it's going to be scanned and they can pick it out right away, but they still do it. I wouldn't be surprised if they're not doing it at OU. Come up with project ideas. Okay, next lighter one. Let's go here, right there. Right in the middle of that. Okay? Okay? So this one's going to go a little lighter, right? With a bit of white. The one that's light. That darks look great there now. Did you use a little bit of the extra dark? Yeah.
No, I didn't.
You didn't? Okay. So that was dark enough.
Like you said, color was a liar. Because what it is color.
Yeah.
But I used a little bit of that.
Yeah, good. I mean, keep that color for yourself in case you need it somewhere else. Like, see stuff like over here. Who knows? It could be handy. Just where you're seeing little dots that look, and you'll see them more, or maybe you can even, do a little bit of this. You can even use this brush to get rid of some of those. See, I got rid of those ones that were in that area. It's good. And by the way, it doesn't mean you're done this. No. Like, it's just a block in, and later on you can go, actually, I'm going to bring a little bit of, but that's painted on top of this layer. I do think, when you stand back and squint, I don't think this is as light as this side. No. So what you should do is take one a little darker and paint over top of it to dim it a bit. So it still has that sense of a greeny yellow, but a little darker. Now, something you might be interested in, Caroline, I have teachers in the afternoon class. And one of them wants to do a reproduction political painting of that teacher. It's a famous painting in the 19th century of a woman teacher in a school boardroom yelling at the board members because she's not getting any help from them. Have you heard of that? It's a famous painting. It's Canadian too. Anyway, I don't have that actual painting, but she wanted to do a modern version. So we put it into ChatGPT and see if we said, make this into a modern version. So I put the woman down slacks. Yeah, so slacks with a sweater and then he's got a hoodie. Yeah, so she wanted it messier and more people, so we said put it in a modern classroom. So there we go, there's the And then we said, okay, make it more cluttered, put some kids on the desks. And then we said, put paper all over the place, make it even more chaotic. So now, no that she's going to paint that. But if we now say make that into a photo, then she can paint it. It's too messy. Then we said, make that into a Caravaggio. I mean, they're fake diamonds. AI is fake diamonds. And the entire internet will be full of fake diamonds and nobody will use it anymore in a few years. But right now it's interesting what's going on. And I'm already noticing that I would say 60% of the images on Instagram are AI. They're not real, none of them. Shocking. It's shocking because the young people don't know. They see a historic photo, they say, oh yeah, that must have happened.
But you know, funny enough, my 10-year-old granddaughter, we were watching some videos and she was 6.
Good for her.
She knows.
Maybe they'll be better than us.
How do you know?
I believed it, right? But
I
I
believed
thought
it.
something
Oh,
was real
yes.
too, and my teenagers wouldn't know now.
Okay, so
I believe that, and Amelia says to me,
take this down, just a few little strokes, barely touching it, going in different directions. Well, it's wet. I mean, we do have wet painting carriers.
yeah, but I have to take it on the bus and
Yeah.
my kids were.
Yeah, no, leave it here for sure.
Well, they were.
Let's take a look. So you took that down a little bit. That looks better. Yeah, that looks better. Well, I just took it away a little bit just by blending a little bit of what's around it into it. You know what? You're not dark enough right here. Take some of your darkest one, work it into, see it around here. We want the head to come a little forward on this side. So we're going to increase the contrast because the light hair will be on this side. We'll darken this so it comes out more. So go a little darker just on the edge there. But yeah, you're almost done. Yeah, that's something, but not your really dark one. But yeah, close to it, like that one. What you also have to be aware of is that things can look really dark when they're surrounded by light things, even though they may not be dark. So sometimes you have to check it that way. Smooth the nose, did a bit of rhinoplasty there, that looks good. Oh, but you did move it up, like push that line up. Yeah, the lip looks good. Don't really see that little triangle. Yeah. Do it the next 5 minutes. That's nice and wet. Great, I can see serrated edges. Good. That's what you want. Okay, you painted that little triangle there. Yeah. Pack up everything except for one color, and maybe you'll have time to put one more color on today. More in the middle. You've got it kind of right on the very right side. To me, it's this little tick that's in the middle of that shape. Make it a bit bigger too. Maybe even make it a bit bigger than it is in the paint. Okay, that looks good. Let's see the right side. You got a brush stroke there, so take the soft thing and push it in that direction, just right there. Milton, oh, have you gone too light?
I think so.
Yeah, you went too light.
Yeah.
Well, actually, let's get some gray in there and figure it out. Put some fine gray in there.
Yeah, maybe 7 because it feels light. Maybe 7.
Well, this is a lighter color than the previous one. 7 would darken it. Sure, put some 7 in there. If anybody wants to stay this afternoon in this one spot. So we'll look at the right side now. See if there's any jazzing up to be done. Yeah, I think the green, you've got a light green in here all the way up. Really, there's a dark right here. Wipe away that area right there and put a dark in there. Okay, wipe it away with a sponge and repaint it. And then probably you just want to clean your brushes. You've got some big brushes, they're loaded, so you want to start that process and get out of here.
Oh, you have to do the afternoon classes.
Yeah.